Hey y'all, Nicole here, your Gulf Coast gal. I am in Biloxi, Mississippi, right across from the beach, right next to Edgewater Mall, because I want to show y'all something different. We haven't done this before, but I thought that it would be the perfect time. We are headed to the movies. It's one of my favorite pastimes, and I've never been to Premier Cinemas. It's the movie theater connected to Edgewater Mall, so I thought it'd be a great time to come show y'all what the experience is like. And what more perfect of a movie to see than Elvis? It's in theaters right now, and if you don't know, Elvis is from Mississippi. He was born up north in Tupelo, which we visited not too long ago, and I'll be sure to drop a link to the Tupelo Buffalo Park. That was such a fun experience. But we're gonna head into Premier Cinema, grab some popcorn, some snacks, some goodies, and check out the experience. I'm of course not gonna show you the movie, but I will let you know what my thoughts were on it. Let's go. All right, y'all, so excited. They also have Pizza Pub and Grill. Here's a look at some of the movies available currently. Elvis, Minions, Where the Crawdads Sing, Thor, Paws of Fury, Top Gun. All right, I'm excited. You can buy online, but I wanted the true movie-going experience, and I smell the popcorn already. So they've got the restaurant over there with all of the beer taps and some TV screens and everything. We're gonna go take a look over here before we go buy our tickets at the center console. Pretty cool. And then there's outdoor seating as well, which was really fantastic. Can't wait to check out all the snacks. Oh my goodness. Here is a look at their Pizza Pub menu: cheese, pepperoni, sausage, Supreme Diva, garden veggie, carnivore, and Canadian bacon. Pretty reasonable, $7 for a small. And they also have wings. And they have lots of other things too. Let's see. Popcorn, definitely gonna have to get that. Candy, Dippin' Dots, pickle, pretzel, Coke. Icy, that's my classic go-to. And they also have combos. How fantastic is that? What is your go-to movie theater snack? Definitely some candy, right? So we are here on a weekday, and we are here prior to 1 p.m. So we're running on the early bird special. The ticket for the movie is only $5.50, which I think is tremendously reasonable. Prices do go up to $10 for an adult weekend ticket. Again, pretty reasonable considering, but that $5.50 is a steal. So if you have a weekday off or you have nothing to do, or you want to check out a movie, I recommend you kind of check out that early bird special. All right, so I scooped up my snacks. I'm really excited. I also got some candy, but I put that in my purse so it was easier to carry. I got a small popcorn. Both the popcorn and the drink are refillable. So I thought that was pretty fantastic. I think it was like $25 for the plethora of snacks that I got. Again, completely refillable. And in my movie ticket, which I don't think is bad, you just like pull to dispense and you can get as much popcorn and as much butter as you want. So let's do this. Okay, one-handed. Oh my gosh. It's probably not gonna work well, y'all. Okay, I got all my snacks, all my things, and I'm ready to head into the theater. All right, we're gonna be in number 5. He said all the way down at the bottom of, or at the bottom of the hallway. They have little booster seats for kiddos. I'm so excited, we just got here. I can't wait. It's really cool to go to a movie and like, you haven't been to the theater before, so we'll see y'all soon. Okay, y'all, all settled in, ready to go. All right, here's a look at the theater. If you can see, the lights are still down right now because the movie just ended, but it's got these nice red recliners, and each of the recliners have this like tray table that you can swing in and out of the way. Oh my goodness, I'm still dealing with my eyes adjusting to the sun since just got out of the movie theater, but I really enjoyed the Elvis movie. It really expanded on the story and his life and aspects that you weren't too familiar with. At least I wasn't, so I really appreciated that. The acting, Tom Hanks and Austin Butler was stellar. I highly recommend you check out this movie. It is quite long, 2 hours and I think 39 minutes, but well worth it. If you're familiar with some of his songs or just want like a little bit of perspective, I guess, about life's short, and just like do what you can while you are here on earth. Like, use your gifts to the best of your ability. It really spoke to me. I got kind of emotional, you know, at the end of it, just because of all that happened, and you know, the messages throughout, at least that I took from it. But I highly recommend you check it out. It really had lots of great references to other icons in the music industry. B.B. King, who is also from Mississippi, and quite a few others. And then at the end, when I was showing you all the theater, there's actually like an original song written by Eminem featuring CeeLo Green called "The King and I." I had to download it instantly. It was pretty stellar. So I'm really appreciative that they're bringing this story to new generations, and kind of, like I said, shining some light on all of the details of what happened, because you only, you know, get the highlights. That's it for me, Gulf Coast Gal. Please consider liking and subscribing to the YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on more activities, attractions, and local places to visit, like Premier Cinema right here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.